Denice, and I'm a student at CSUMB and a service learner for the Monterey County Free Libraries. Today on Make It Monday, we are making fork flowers. I'm really excited about this, and I hope you'll have fun with me. So come on and join. Okay, so for our fork flowers, all we will need are paints, and then we need a real fork. Do not use a plastic fork. The plastic fork will bend too much, and you won't be able to put it into your paint and get the full effect of the flower. So as you see, I have already poured a little bit of paint in here, and I've chosen to use a red, purple, orange, and here is my green. Use any color that you'd like. I have a paintbrush over here. I have a cup with water and a paper towel so you can get your color off. So there's two ways you can do it. You can draw a stem, or you can make your own little flower pot. And remember, this is your very own masterpiece. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just your own design. Okay, so now we'll draw the stems. I have green right here. Now you can make your stems as fat as you like. Just make sure that you save enough room for your flower to be on the fork. When you use your fork, you want to make sure that you get the back end into the paint. Just kind of tap it. Just take your fork and wipe it off, unless you want a mixture of colors. Okay, here we go. Finished product, our fork flowers. Thank you for joining me on Make It Monday and for our project of fork flowers. I enjoyed spending time with you, and please join me again for the Monterey County Free